In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a subtask to another task in Asana, the popular project management tool. This is a straightforward process, but it can significantly streamline your workflow by helping you keep tasks organized and clearly aligned with current project priorities. Once you've logged into Asana, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the task that currently contains the subtask you wish to move. Remember, Asana organizes tasks within projects, so knowing exactly where your subtask resides will save you a lot of time and effort. Once you're sure you found the right task, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the task, revealing everything it contains, including all of its subtasks. In some cases, the subtask section might be collapsed, so you'll need to expand it to see all the subtasks associated with this particular task. Simply click to expand this section, and all your subtasks will display before you. Now, focus on the specific subtask you're planning to move. This is crucial because you'll want to ensure you're handling the correct item, especially if you're juggling multiple subtasks in a single task. To move this subtask, click and hold it, then drag it from the subtask section into the main task list. This action removes the subtask from its current home, making it free to be reallocated to another task. This maneuver might feel a bit like playing a puzzle, but it's all about making sure you have your subtasks where they need to be for maximum productivity. With your subtask now in the main task list, it's time to find the new task you want to assign it to. Navigate through your projects carefully to identify and select this new task. It's essential to ensure you're choosing the right task, because placing a subtask incorrectly could lead to miscommunication or disorganization down the line. Take your time to ensure it goes to the right place. After you've located the new task, it's just as simple as dragging the subtask and dropping it into the subtask section of this new task. By doing so, you integrate it seamlessly into the project structure, keeping it aligned with your workflow and team strategies. And that's it. You've successfully moved your subtask from one task to another in Asana. This process not only keeps your project organized, but also ensures that every subtask is positioned within the correct context and priority. Whether you're managing a small team or working on your own, optimizing task management like this in Asana can dramatically improve the efficiency of your day-to-day operations. Thanks for joining me today.